Attention Central Florida, a severe thunderstorm warning has just been issued for Orange and Osceola Counties. Stay tuned for critical updates. This warning is no joke. It's in effect until 7:15 p.m. EDT today, March 30th, 2025. If you're in areas like Lone Cabbage Fish Camp, Deer Park, Alligator Lake, Harmony, or Pine Grove, you need to take immediate action. Get to the lowest floor of a sturdy building and make sure you're safe. The National Weather Service is warning us about potential wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour. That's strong enough to damage roofs, siding, and even take down trees. And here's the kicker. These storms can quickly spin up tornadoes. So, stay alert. Check out WESH's radar link at wesh.com/radar for real-time updates. And don't forget to download their news app to get weather alerts right on your phone. Let's give a shout out to the WESH First Warning Weather Team. Tony Manolfi, Eric Burris, Kellyanne Klass, Marquise Mehta, and Cam Tran. These guys are working hard to keep us all informed. Remember, impact weather means conditions that can mess up your travel plans and daily activities. And today's definitely a severe weather warning day, meaning life and property could be at risk. So stay safe out there, everyone. Keep an eye on the sky, stay updated, and most importantly, take all necessary precautions. Thanks for watching, and stay updated with WESH for more weather alerts. Take all necessary precautions to stay safe.